Cold open. Imagine being able to ward off common colds and flu without resorting to over-the-counter medicine. Boosting your immune system naturally is the key. Here are some practical tips and strategies. Tip 1. Incorporate citrus fruits into your diet. They're packed with vitamin C, which is known to boost your immune system. Tip 2. Get sufficient sleep. Your immune system recharges when you sleep, so make sure you're getting at least 7 to 9 hours a night. Tip 3. Keep yourself hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in carrying oxygen to your cells, which directly enhances your immune system. Tip 4. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise helps to stimulate your immune system and fight off bacteria and viruses. Tip 5. Laugh more often. Believe it or not, laughter can actually boost your immune system by lowering stress hormones. Remember, these are just a few ways to boost your immune system naturally. A healthy lifestyle is the best defense. Repeat these tips daily for a stronger immune system. Stay healthy, stay strong.